Hi all. Today let's see one of the mostly asked coding interview question for the Java. It will be very useful for both freshers and experience. So let's get started. So, counting of camel case characters in a given string. The question is the example like input how it will be. For example, this is a given string for you. Happy learning on my YouTube channel. So, in this input string, we have to count the camel case characters. Means how many words are starting with this camel case letters. Means here the first letter happy, that is a H. The starting word here everything is a small case, and by from counting here from learning L O MYC. So these are the camel case letters and these are five. So how we are going to implement it? And here see, this is a simple class I have taken camel class example. In this we have the main method, and this separate method I have taken for processing this input. So the input here happy learning Java with examples. So I am taking here one of the variable result, and I am calling this method. Uh, so static int count camel case, I am taking this input string. Here I am counting, we have to count the characters, right? So I am taking one temporary variable, that is int count equal to 0, and I am iterating on that, taking for loop. So here int I equal to 0, and within the given input I am checking the length. So here for each character, I'm checking if it is like uppercase or not. So the inbuilt we have uh, this method character dot is uppercase of this s dot caret of I. So here we are iterating, right, each character in the given string. So I'm taking this s is nothing but the given input. Char at means every like at each index it will check this I what is it is returning. So that I am putting here inside this character is uppercase, so it is a boolean, and it will check every time. If it is true it will continue, otherwise it won't. So here if it is true I'm just increasing the count, and at last with the for loop I'm returning the count here. So it will see here camel case example dot count camel case of input. Here count camel case is static method, right? So here we are calling this using its class name itself. So don't get confused here. Camel case example dot this class name dot I'm getting this method. So if we run this program, what we'll get the output? So here number of camel case words in the given input is 4. And one more question here. So we are counting from here, like from L means the first word means H is a small case, so we are not considering it. And we are counting from the next word camel case. So here L, J, W, E. These are the four words, means these are the four characters starting with the another words. These are the camel case letters. So we are returning here the output as a 4, and we have taken the count equal to 0. So what if we have to count from the beginning, if it is a small case also, but starting from here it is a camel case only, right? So if you want to include this also, the first H also in the given input string, so what we have to do? So for that here we have to take the count equal to 1. The remaining program will be the same. Here only the thing we have to change here, the count equal to 1, and in the for loop the variable should start with 1. From 1 means the first itself, from the first character itself we are counting. So here the same example, just we have changed the count, means a variable count initialization from 1. So what will be the output of the below code? It will give us the 5, means number of camel case words in the given input is 5. So here happy learning Java with examples. So here totally we are having 5 words here. So all these are camel case letters. So if you are giving the count equal to 0 and starting the loop from 0, then it will give from the second, means from L, means the second word camel case. Or if you want to get from the beginning itself, then we have to make the count from 1. So hope this one clear. Thank you. Please do subscribe. Bye.